For our further knowledge building purpose, we will stick to SQLite.org website. If you want to download a Macintosh version for some reason, you can go to SQLite.org/download.html. But most of the Mac OS X operating system will come inbuilt SQLite 3. And there is pre-compiled binary files for Windows and other platforms, including a lot of different operating system support. So my OS X Mojave comes with SQLite 3. And by just typing SQLite 3, we will enter into SQLite 3 command line interface. By using .sh command, we can access our shell related commands. So I'm just clearing the screen. Now, right after that, we could explore a little more of SQLite 3 once after everybody in the bootcamp follows so far. So if you are using a Windows user, follow the coming steps. And for all my beloved Windows users, can find their pre-compiled binary executables in SQLite.org. Find SQLite tools Win32 x86 and the latest build and download the file. All you got to do is just click on that link, which includes 3 exe programs. Once you download this program, you can extract it to C drive or someplace where you may like. So you can see a lot of other Windows related support from SQLite. Once the download is successful, you can extract it to a place where you can access it easily. So in this case, I'll choose my desktop and create a new folder. And I'll call this folder as SQLite CLI. So you can actually directly extract it to a folder in C drive, but for starters, let me extract it to desktop files. So after extracting, you can execute file like SQLite.3exe, which is a command line interface application. So now what you got to do is you need this entire executables inside your environment variable. And other executables are not a CLI, it is a utility tools that can be used inside SQLite 3. So for now, we need to make sure this 3 executables is accessible throughout our command prompt. So for that, create a folder in C drive, call it SQLite 3 and paste it here. Once you have done that, go to your My Computer, which is this PC in modern Windows 10, and find Advanced System Settings and click on Environment Variables and choose Path. Click on Edit and add a new edit variable. You just have to enter the path of that particular folder. Once you're done with the steps, your computer is completely capable of working with SQLite. So let's take a look. How does that looks like? Type SQLite 3. Here we go. We have our SQLite in place right now. Using .sh, we can access our command prompt commands as well. Thank you for watching.